y'all, so I am back. So this is going to be a video for what's on my phone. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is the phone that I have. So I'm going to be sharing with you dolls the apps and everything that I have on my phone and how I have it organized and everything like that. It's probably kind of similar to my other video, other than I probably have a few different apps or whatever switched around, but I like to organize pretty much the same. So yeah, if y'all want to see what's on my phone, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this is my lock screen. I hope that this lighting and y'all can see good because I'm just trying this, but yeah, so this is the screen. Whenever I open it up, this is the first screen of apps and everything like that. Okay, so on this first screen I have my mail. Let me just wipe my phone off. I feel like it's a little dirty. On this first screen I have mail at the top here, and then I have my Yahoo, and my mail is several different mailboxes, and then Yahoo I use for my business one, so I have two mailboxes. And then I have my calendar, and then photos, and then I have my clock, my calculator, weather, and Google Photos. I have my photos together because I use both. My man has Android, so we use Google Photos so that the photos don't get distorted and stuff. So then I have, on the next row, I have maps, Waze. Maps and Waze is kind of similar, like it tells you how to get to wherever you're going. And then I have FaceTime and IMO, once again, because my man has Android. He needs to just go ahead and switch because I got all these extra apps just for him. But this is so that we can FaceTime. And then I have Apple TV, a wallet, notes, and reminders. I kind of need to move this to a different page, but whatever. And then I have the App Store, my contacts, the home thing, the T-Mobile app because I do have T-Mobile. And then I have music and settings. Music I love to use because I do have Apple Music, so amazing. That's where I get all of my new bops from and all of that. And then at the bottom, this is how I have my home page set up, or my main keys or whatever. So I have the phone, messages, Safari, and then pictures. And that's how I always leave it set up. This is how it was on my other phone as well. Okay, we're gonna scroll through and slide to the next page. Okay, so on this next page, let me just try to zoom in a bit. On this next page here at the top is files. Like if you get a file from your email or whatever, you can send it here or whatever. And then I have my watch app. Sorry if y'all hear my baby in the back, she over there playing. And then this is the Hatch Sleep app right next to it. Speaking of baby, this is for my baby's sound machine, and it also lights up. So that is the app for her little sound device. And then we have WhatsApp here as well, where you can speak to people, you know, who live far away, and it's not any extra charges or anything like that. And then I usually use this for like companies. They will contact me on through this app or whatever. Okay, so then this next tab is for social media. So this is actually a folder with several different apps inside of one, instead of having like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, like taking up all of my screen. I just use it all in one folder. So once I click it, I've named it social media. You can add whatever you want to, you know, title it. But inside of this folder, I have YouTube, and then I have Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube Studio, Facebook, Twitter, Analytics. All of these are for my YouTube, and then also Messenger, which is connected to Facebook. So that's what I have there in the social media app. And then the next one that I have is the finance tab. So on the finance tab, I have PayPal, I have my credit union, I have Cash App, and then I also have a big cartel. Y'all know I sell through them, so I have that on there as well. Next folder that I have is the baby folder. So these are the apps that I used while I was pregnant. I actually still use the Bump now because it does give me updates for my baby, even though she is already born. It's not just for pregnancy. So I do still like this one, but I haven't checked the others to see if they do it as well. But I had the Bump, Ovia, Pregnancy, Pregnancy Plus, Baby Center, What to Expect, this is a contractions app that I had added to kind of track my contractions whenever I was having her, and when I had some Braxton Hicks, I was trying to see, you know, what it was giving. And then lastly, we have baby pics, and this is like an app that you can use to edit your baby photos. So yeah. And then next I have the shopping app. So on the shopping app, I just have some apps that I like to check on sometimes, and some apps that I use, or some websites that only have apps, if you know what I'm saying. So I have Amazon, which I use constantly. I'm always shopping on Amazon now. I'm actually now a Prime member, and I'm buying stuff on there all the time for my baby, because I find that it's always extra stuff that I need. We have Amazon, and then we have AliExpress. I use AliExpress a lot. Y'all know I be finding all the deals and steals on AliExpress. Then we have Target, because Target has the circle thing where you can get discounts. So that's why I have that. I have Etsy, which I do like Etsy. eBay is similar to Amazon. So sometimes if I can't find whatever on Amazon, I'll find it on eBay, or sometimes the price is better on either one. And then we have Wanello. Somebody told me about this app, so I downloaded it, and I kind of just looked on there, but I haven't actually purchased anything from it. Wish is an app. Y'all know how Wish is, but I actually had to order something from my mom through Wish that she wanted to order, so that's why I have it. I've never really used it. And then we have DHgate. I love DHgate also. And then we have Groupon as well, which I had before, but I don't really use it. I just didn't delete it. And then lastly, we have Alibaba, which is similar to AliExpress. Okay, so then next we have the news app. So I have the local news and then like the world news. So I have both of those. I also have this is travel and entertainment. So on the travel and entertainment tab, I have Priceline, Eventbrite, Park Mobile, Spirit, Ticketmaster, and Airbnb. So these are like some of the ones that I have used. Yeah, I hate Spirit, but it seems like we always get stuck flying Spirit. So yeah, not every time I've flown Spirit, but I've gotten on Spirit a few times. So I have their app on my phone too. And then next I have my camera apps. So I have the Camera Connect, and I can use this for my Canon cameras, where I can connect it to my phone and use my phone as a button. Like I can use my phone to take the picture. And then I have the Samsung Smart, and this was for my Samsung camera, which I no longer use, but I still have. So I still have the app on my phone. And then next we have the dictionary tab. So in the dictionary tab, I have the regular dictionary, the urban dictionary, and WebMD. So those are essentials. I feel like I must have them. And urban dictionary comes in handy for certain words that I don't know what people be talking about, like it be a new slang word or whatever. Urban Dictionary will usually have it, and then I'm not out of the loop. I know what's going on and what the new popping word is that people saying that I didn't understand before. And the regular dictionary is just essential to have, and of course WebMD for medical stuff. So okay, so next we have the food tab. So I have Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, Waiter, and Grubhub. I think those are all of them. There are a few others or whatever, but yeah, some of these are not even in my area yet, but you know, whenever you travel out of town, they have them. So I just have those on my phone. And also sometimes I may not use them to deliver to me, but if I don't know what I want to eat, I can browse on the website and kind of figure out what I want based off of looking at what they have, you know. Next app that I have is the music app. So on this app, I have my mixtapes, iHeartRadio, Pandora, Spotify, Podcasts, and Shazam. The main thing that I use out of this app is Shazam and iHeartRadio. I like to use iHeartRadio so I can listen to the Breakfast Club and stuff like that, especially if I'm on the go, like if I'm not in my car and I want to listen to it. Like I used to use this when I would be at work all the time, or let's just say you're out of town somewhere, or you're sitting at an airport or something, you can listen to what's going on the radio. So I like to have that app, and you can also just pull up music on there too. So next we have the photo editing app. I haven't really used this lately because honestly I haven't been taking photos to need to edit, but these are the apps that I have on here. I have PicStitch, Visco, Photo Mirror, MSQRD, Split Camera, Square Ready, Moldiv, Afterlight, and Lumiere. So That's all I have on there. Those are just like photo editing apps. And then I have a video editor, which is Repostly and Square Ready Video. I use Repostly all the time to copy a video from like Instagram and send it to like my mom as a text. So that is that. And then the next app we have is Photoshop, and this is like to beautify pictures and stuff. So I have Perfect 365, Facetune 2, regular Facetune, and Photoshop Express. So those are those. And then I have my keyboards next. So I have the GIF keyboard and the Bitmoji keyboard. So those are fun. This one you can customize, you know, it looks like yourself. You could put clothes on it and all of that kind of stuff. And the GIF keyboard is just all of those different fun GIFs, and I use them in text messages all the time. So it's a must. So then this next folder is just says standard apps, because I just kind of stuck a bunch of the extra apps that are on my phone in this folder so that they're not taking up space on my screen. So in here I have Numbers, Keynote, Pages, iMovie, GarageBand, Clips, Shortcuts, Find My iPhone, iTunes Store, Health, Stocks, Translate, Tips, Books, iTunes U, and Apple Store. So those are like a bunch of extra apps that I don't really use, so I just kind of threw them all into one folder. These are ones that like come already on the phone, so I just put them there. And then I have utilities, and this is like more stuff that kind of like put itself in this folder: voice memos, compass, measure. And then next down here, this is fitness. This is from my watch, so I really need to move this off of this screen. But then I have Simply Safe, and this is for my doorbell camera. I have Jib Jab and Elf Yourself. These were from the holidays where you can like make yourself look like an elf and dance and stuff. So I still have those on there, but they'll be coming off. Lastly, on this page, I have the Bible, and then I have this app. It's called CarNet. CarNet is for my car, where I can track it, so I can see like where my car is going, or if the door is locked, or I can start the car from my phone and all of that kind of cool stuff. So that is that. I have Period Diary, which I use to track my cycles. Coco PA is an app where you can like customize the way that your apps look. I have it on my phone, but I haven't used it in forever. And then I have Font Changer, but I've never used it. I just downloaded them. I don't know. Kodak Moments, I think it's to print out pictures at this store. And then Nike Run Club came on my new Apple Watch, so it translated over to my phone. I'll probably delete it off of here. GVM Easily is an app that I can use for my lights that I have now for recording. So yeah. Lastly, I have Shop. I actually just downloaded this, and it kind of can track all of your tracking numbers. So any packages that you have can be tracked in one spot all together, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, one company was offering it, so I added it. And yeah, so that's everything that's on my phone. And my lock screen is my baby girl, if you can see her on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it that's on my phone. So back to the lock screen. Y'all can see it's one of my beautiful maternity photos with the horse. Beautiful. So yeah. Okay, dolls, so that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed what's on my phone. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions for certain apps that I should try out or whatever, definitely let me know that down below as well. If y'all want to see a video of what I have on my iPad, then let me know. I don't feel like it's that exciting, but let me know some good stuff to put on my iPad actually. And yeah, if you dolls have questions, leave those down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.